Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create 2024 recap video on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone. Okay, this is my Instagram and then I'm going to create an Instagram reel. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then I'm going to select reel. Tap on the reel, and to create the 2024 recap video we can use Instagram template. So we can go to the templates menu and then here you can select the trending template, this one guys. We can use this template to create 2024 recap video. Okay, you can click on use as template and you can replace the videos in this template with your own videos. Okay, you just need to click on this clip right here and you can select videos from your gallery. You can select up to 23 media from your gallery, and I'm just going to pick random video from my gallery. Wait, I'm gonna select a video. I'm going to select one of my album in my gallery. Okay, I'm going to select video from here. I'm just going to pick random videos like this. Okay, and 23 videos have been selected, and once you're done choosing the video you want to put on your template, you can click on next. Okay, and just wait for a moment. The Instagram will create the 2024 recap video for us automatically. Okay guys, and this is how the 2024 recap looks like. And then I'm just going to click on next. Okay, and before we upload the 2024 recap video, we can edit the video. You just need to go to the edit video menu if you want to edit your recap. Okay, here you can edit your video before you upload the recap video to your Instagram. You can edit the text or maybe the music, and once you're ready to upload your recap video, you can click on this button and then you can add caption, hashtag, or maybe location, or tag people. It's up to you. And once you're ready to post it, you can click on next. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a 2024 recap video on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.